City Floor Supply is a global hardwood and sport floor supplier. We deliver the very best hardwood products to the marketplace by the world's most innovative companies. We supply the know-how to how to use these products to get the best results. City Floor Supply flourishes in the online era.
Because we are specialists with years of experience and we price the best products right. Browse our YouTube channel, read our weekly emails, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and you will see we're a lot different than the big box corporate competitors. We make the complex simple and educate our customers. We are City Floor Supply.